guys, look at me. You think I'm a has-been? I'm no has-been.
Husband, you're right here.
Look at
She's
me.
right here, right now. Look at her.
I got Amy Phillips. I got Stuart O'Keefe. We're a little buzz. It's okay. It's
good.
Christmas time.
Good.
It's
I mean,
Christmas time.
We're in New Jersey.
Sleigh bells ring, are you
Go.
listening?
Sing, baby, sing.
In the lane,
Go.
snow is glistening at the
Sweet.
Manzos. We're ready to go. We're gonna cook some Struffoli today.
Good for you.
Is that how you say it?
Nice. We're
Okay.
making Struffoli.
Struffoli?
Struffoli. I'm going to tell you how I met these two. We were at BravoCon.
Yes!
Because Bravo was kind enough to say, you know what, let's get that bitch from the archives.
How did that happen? Like, so they were
Archives.
just like, hey, would you like to come? Or were you included in some of the stories like
No,
that season?
I was at the first BravoCon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
Okay, don't
The
forget.
boutique
Don't
BravoCon,
forget.
the
I was
original
at the first
BravoCon.
BravoCon. And I was truly, I have to be honest with you, I was surprised to be asked for the second because it has been 7 years.
Yeah.
Since I've been on your screens, your stuff like that. And you guys were kind enough to ask me to do a panel with you.
You were at the
It's
top
just-
of our list.
yes.
They asked
You
us
lie.
who.
You lie.
No, it's
No.
not a lie. Think about all the
But see,
housewives. Who would you
we have
want
a ton of
to
recipes,
you know,
but you want someone fun.
This
Listen.
is the lady we want to cook with.
I don't want to be that person.
So,
but
sorry.
Really
Look at
cooks.
whose kitchen. Exactly. That's what I'm
Really
saying.
Yes, and you
That's what
cook
I'm
as well.
saying.
And
Yes.
It's going to be amazing.
So anyway, I am featured in this book is Cook It, Spill It, Throw It, the Not So Real Housewives parody cookbook. And I am Manzo Cotty, Money Gut for a living.
Manzacani
With thickest
just
thieves
thickest
sauce.
thieves sauce.
And I'm going to tell you, I did it with you guys
Yeah.
at BravoCon,
Yeah.
and it was delicious.
Thank you.
I liked it,
get
yeah.
I'm taking the
this
compliment. I
book.
agree.
What is Struffoli? Because I've never heard of this before. I think by the sounds of things, from looking at this recipe,
Yes.
it's kind of like a donut.
No.
Like a small donut. It's like
No.
a donut hole.
No.
Wrong.
No. It's a little ball of fabulousness.
Is it kind of like, is it like those fair cakes? You know, the deep fried.
No. No, you're
The
talking-
funnel
your
cakes.
funnel cake.
Yeah, is it kind of like that?
I'm gonna say it's like a dense funnel cake.
Okay.
I'll give you that. It's super simple.
Okay.
I don't want you guys to be intimidated by it. It is absolutely fabulous and delicious, and you are going to make this every year, I promise you. Are we ready to
I
roll?
am so ready. Okay.
Guys,
So
Let's go.
exciting.
this book.
Okay.
Thanks,
book.
Caroline.
Hey,
Oh, by the way,
beautiful.
we just want to remind everyone that we are in the Manzo's kitchen right now.
It's
Like
amazing.
the kitchen that you've all felt like you needed to be in for years and years and years. We're here. Okay.
We're here.
Are you kidding
Anyway,
me?
let's
All
go rolling.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
As always, I have the recipe here because more often than not, I forget what the hell I'm doing, so I have the recipe here. We're gonna mix together eggs, butter, juice, sugar, and vanilla. Okay.
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 Your eggs.
We've got 3 eggs.
There we go.
You just
Let's
beat
do
them.
this.
Okay.
3 eggs beaten.
Okay. Butter. We are going to use a half a stick of butter, which is 4 tablespoons.
4 tablespoons. Okay.
Melted. Okay.
You popped that in the microwave, just melted it.
Yeah.
right?
Really getting
Okay.
shots here.
Sugar.
Really good work on the
1
camera work.
cup of sugar. I'm gonna
Okay.
make you do the cutting and all that. We'll
Yeah,
get
yeah,
to
yeah.
that. 1 cup of sugar. All right. And vanilla, it is
You have vanilla extract.
vanilla extract is 1 teaspoon.
You want extract, you don't want essence. Extract is the real thing.
You're confusing me, man.
No,
You're
I'm
confusing
telling
me.
you.
What's essence?
It's imitation.
No.
It's like imitation. No. It has to be the real. So look for extract
Yes.
when you're
Vanilla
doing the vanilla.
Now we're gonna
Anyway,
mix
if we're talking
that
about
together.
essence, let's talk
So what do
about
we
me.
have?
My essence is that
Your-
of someone who is kind, thoughtful, respectful, loving, hilarious,
You are
and
funny.
just charming. Anyway, back to your cooking.
We are going to mix this
Do you
together.
need this?
Yeah, in a minute.
All right, I'm
In a
gonna
minute.
just-
You just hold on to that.
I'm just gonna look cute.
You do look cute.
Oh my God, thank you. Thanks, Mom. I mean, sorry. Just feels so right.
All mixed together,
Okay.
super, super easy. Nothing crazy, okay? Now we're gonna add baking powder. That's your
me.
girl.
That's my cue.
Okay?
Okay.
And now this is where it gets a little sticky, but what is this?
This is orange juice.
Okay.
Do you have orange juice in this?
Yeah, this is a half. Well,
What there now?
It doesn't say it, but this is a half. This is where I'm confused. My grandmother said a half of a fresh squeezed orange.
Okay,
Okay.
that seems right.
I'm not messing with grandma's recipe.
Okay.
Oh, God.
So I do get a fresh squeezed orange. Now we are going to add the flour. Now,
Okay.
Stuart, I'm going to ask you to add the flour a little bit at a time
All right.
because this gets
Go ahead.
nasty. Okay.
I'll just watch. So it's like snow falling,
Yes.
you know, if you will. It's just, again, essence and reminiscence.
Now I want to ask
of-
you a question. No whisking. You like the mix.
And I like to mix.
Okay, that's
Okay.
fine.
See, now I know why you have the big
We're gonna get
bowl.
there.
Now it's really making sense.
Because it makes a mess.
I mean, it really
Tastes like
does.
But I'm going to tell you, it's worth it. And please
Yeah.
don't be intimidated by this because people say, gee, I can't do this. It's super easy. We're making more of this than it is, truly.
So you could do it in a KitchenAid with a dough mix as well if you wanted to, right?
I've never done it that way.
In a mixer?
I'm gonna try it at home. I'm
Try
gonna
it
take
at
this.
home
I'm gonna
and-
try it
will
at
you
home.
try it at home?
Yeah, I will.
Because this is my thing. This is the way I saw my grandma do it, and this is the way I'm gonna do it because you know what, grandma
This is how
rules.
she did it.
Okay, do you want a bit more?
Put it in.
Script. Okay.
Yeah.
There we
Sprinkle
go.
it in like
Sprinkle it in.
the fresh snow.
Oh shit. See?
It's fine. See, it's messy. That's why you keep the big bowl.
See, I'm loving this camera work. Are we pointing out that your family is in charge of the production?
Guys.
I mean, can I just mention that because they're doing
It's been a week.
spectacular job.
It's been a week. We're going it. We're doing it.
I mean,
And
this
we're gonna-
is like Manzo'd in the kitchen.
Yeah.
You know,
If
like
there
this
ever
is-
was.
It's
Now, do
beginning
you
of
see
it.
how this is getting
Yeah.
heavier
Yeah.
now? And it's
I
getting
think
a little
that's why I
This
need
is
to
how
go
you
in there.
stay in
Go,
shape.
baby.
Now,
Go, baby. See,
I
now
may
we're getting
say-
somebody that knows what they're doing in there. I'm going to sprinkle it in.
Okay, go ahead. All right.
Right, get it on his
Oh, look at this little
Cartier
hand.
bracelet.
Sorry, Cartier.
There you go.
I took my Cartier bracelet off for this one.
I don't have Cartier.
This is my
Do you know what? Give me
bracelet
a
from
wooden
Revolve.
spoon.
It was
Give me a wooden
$26. 26. So that's good.
You want
It'll
a paddle or
last a
spoon?
season.
Okay.
Hey, thanks. So,
Jesus. It really does get in there.
It does. It gets.
So I would recommend though, if you have a KitchenAid, I would use a KitchenAid.
I
On
do
a
have a
slow,
KitchenAid, but-
like yeah, but to pull it out and
Please
shit,
help.
like
She
I
likes
get
to
it.
do it.
Yeah.
Listen, I'm old
You don't.
school, honey.
No, I know.
Yeah.
I know.
See how it gets on your.
See, look at
it's
that.
love.
You know,
That's
No.
love. That's made with love, Stuart.
yeah.
It's like
All right, now we're gonna get a little flour and we're gonna just put it on the counter. Please clean your counters. Please wash your hands.
yep.
Little things like
Little
that.
PSA.
So now you take a little bit, okay,
Okay.
and we're gonna roll them
All right.
just like this.
I'll wash my
And then we're gonna cut them like little strips. I'm gonna get knives for both of you. And then we're gonna.
So like kind of like gnocchi, the way they cut them.
how cute he says gnocchi.
Is it gnocchi?
Gnocchi.
Gnocchi. It's Irish
I know what I
accent.
mean, but I'll
I know,
accept
but
it.
that's like
You're so cute. I'll take it.
It doesn't matter.
You can do no wrong in my eyes. Okay, so now you see what you're gonna do? Listen,
All right.
Amy,
Yes.
do some work.
I know. I washed my hands. I'm ready to go.
Okay. I want you to take a little bit and I want you to roll it like a cigar, if you will.
Okay.
I'm gonna get you both a couple of knives.
okay.
Okay.
And I just
Mine
want
are
you to
bestie.
cut like
Okay.
that. Little piece like
Oh yeah,
that.
it is like gnocchi. Oh my
Yes,
god.
it's just like gnocchi. And
Look at that.
I want you to flour it.
Mine feels like it's a little more floury than it should be. I don't like the way this looks. So that one's gonna go away.
You just
I'm
want it
getting a bit
enough
of
that it's
knives.
not going
Margaret coming
to melt
through
in my
you.
hands.
Okay.
Oh,
well,
yeah.
Is
Oh, he's getting. See, you're looking at
Oh, no,
what I'm
you
doing.
haven't
It's not
already
good.
do you?
It's not good.
This is
It's not good.
It's good.
Yeah, I could hear it in his voice. He said he doesn't approve.
no, they'll still deep fry. You're fine.
They will.
Yeah.
All right, good. Caroline.
Now.
Okay.
What I'm going to do.
But you want them around the
Deep
same
fryer.
sizes.
Ice maker.
So
Octagonal ice. What shape is your ice?
I have no idea. It's cold.
That's all that
you want
matters.
them in bowls or no?
Don't boil them. Just leave them like that.
Shit.
Ball 'em?
God.
Who said to ball 'em?
Who said to play with
Oh,
balls? Just freaking do
I
it.
know.
Got it.
There's look.
Do you know
like
what I will
little
want to
squares.
say about this house though? It's so nice. I think I'm like drunk already. It's
Already,
so
you've been
nice.
drunk for 2 hours.
Yeah.
Holding on
2
to that buzz.
hours.
You know what? I have to
It's
say.
so nice around Christmas time. It feels so
Yeah,
homey.
Does it?
Yes,
Oh my
it's the
God,
best.
it does.
It's the best time to come.
I
yeah.
appreciate you guys coming because I know you had a full day today of work.
Oh, I'm just so
I
excited
flew
to
in.
see.
I flew in this morning at 5 a.m.
Which rooms?
I know how I'm standing.
Which rooms are we sleeping in?
I love you.
Yeah.
Whatever you want, honey. I got room. I got nothing but room. My kids are out of the house. I have room. All right. So now here we have they're floured. Now if you don't have a deep fryer,
Or an ice maker.
Still make it.
no, get a Dutch oven, get a nice
Yeah.
pot, and put some Crisco, like the Crisco. What is that? The fat.
Like vegetable oil, like
Vegetable
peanut
oil.
oil. You
Yes.
could use, yeah.
And put it up till I want to say 275.
But make sure you get a Candied thermometer.
Yes.
And stick it in there.
Put the thermometer in.
Candied thermometer.
Yeah,
Oh,
because
right, a Candied thermometer.
want it to
It
Yes.
goes up to a certain degree.
Got it.
You want it about 275. Like this goes up to 200. Now this is gonna fry. Doesn't seem like it's hot enough.
She's bubbling. Look at production, just getting right in there.
But there, does it need to keep
No.
to this?
Manzo, the
Yeah,
Top
it's-
one?
it's
The
been
top
on.
one is when it's ready.
Watch
No, it
this.
is. It's floating.
Yeah.
You're good.
They're floating, as long as they're floating. And that's the most important thing. You want to put them probably about 350. I'm gonna say 350, safe temperature. All right, fill, let's say a Dutch oven or pot halfway through, okay?
How long do you leave them in there?
They're gonna be in for less than a minute, truly.
Wow.
About
Yeah.
45 seconds, and then you want them to be golden brown.
Oh, I love
Okay.
golden brown.
Wait till you see.
I can't wait. I can't even wait a minute, Caroline. Get him out of there.
Yeah.
Pull him out. This is so
It's the
exciting.
most I've ever seen you cook before.
Oh, stop.
We wrote,
now.
we wrote like a cookbook.
You know, I made most of our recipes.
Yes.
Okay.
It's like, this is actually perfect.
I only cook around the holidays and special occasions.
If you're going to use a pot, which probably most of you are, but you have those little fry daddies and stuff like that, you just put it like that and gently lower it into the oil.
Yeah.
Now you see how they're getting
Yeah,
golden
see
brown?
See how
Look at
they are
that.
here?
Oh my
So
gosh, they look amazing.
Yeah. So we just want
the
them
golden
just
brown
golden
we're
brown, all right?
Don't let her cocktail.
Cocktail break.
Need a drink.
Tasty bites.
A lot going on here.
I'm just gonna keep working because you guys are working on the front end. I'm working on the back end
I'm
here.
glad I dressed up for this.
Yeah,
I mean,
look,
it's
that's
just
why, look at me.
whatever.
Look at me. I swear, Caroline, that's gonna be your next book. Look at me.
Look at me.
Look at her.
Look at me.
Look at me.
Look at
Okay,
me. Has
so we
been.
got-
Look at me.
Stop with the
Stop with the-
has
stop with the
been.
has been.
Oh my gosh, don't be so hard on yourself. That's my last Manelli. Don't be so hard on yourself.
Can you do some personalized invitations for me?
Yes,
Okay,
of
I'd
course
love
you
to.
can.
P.S.
Who do you want?
Yes.
Do you have a Caroline Manzo?
Well, I'm working on it.
Wait
but
there, do you
it
not
starts
have
at- All right. All right. Look at me. All right. All right. Chris. All right. Lauren. All right. Albie. All right. That's pretty much it.
Stop.
I'm gonna.
You know, I
We're
just
gonna-
fed this bitch, and she's making fun of me.
I gotta work for my meals.
Oh my god. I'm dead. No, you do, do Margaret for her.
Margaret
She knows
knows
Margaret.
for me, yes.
I'm really loving making this Struffoli. This is so great. I can't wait to make it for Marge Senior. This is amazing. I don't cook. I just come and get my coffee. Stick his coffee creamer, and I just stick his coffee creamer in this recipe.
Can you do the one and only Teresa Judice?
Oh.
Yeah, of course I can. Alright, so what I'm saying, I can't believe I'm in your kitchen right now with these ingredients. So I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna be nice for a second, because for Christmas, it's gonna be nice when you will sing a song.
Oh, that's what we should do. I should do an impression. See if you can guess who it is. You know, I like to work. I love to work. I live in Orange County. I got a son Michael, a Brianna, and I own co
Vicky.
insurance. Yeah.
Yeah.
Vicky's
I like to
a friend.
whoop I like to go to.
Listen, Vicky's a trip.
Oh, she's great.
She's so
she
great.
Is so
I
great.
love Vicky.
And she's an OG.
Yes.
She's the best.
You know, here's the thing about the originals. We are a special breed.
You
Yeah.
can
There's-
never
yeah, you
recreate
can't
that.
replace them.
Because-
it's the end of an era.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to say.
We're
but yeah.
sorry, we're a special breed. Yes.
Yeah. Do you recognize my voice? I'm missing a little cabaret for you.
Oh, Luann,
Yeah, very good. Oh, this is a fun game.
you're not working fast enough for me, girl.
Oh yeah.
I know,
You know what?
it's
That's
like-
because I'm doing
Come on.
impressions.
right.
Comedy. You know what? Comedy and cooking go together, and I'll show you how it works. Oh,
All right, so now here we have
Really
they're
nice.
so beautiful.
these little fried beauties.
Oh my
All right?
goodness. So nice.
Now what you do then, I'm gonna take these so we have the grease out.
Oh, nice.
All right, you take
You want like one layer, obviously, right? So,
Yes.
okay.
take about 16 ounces of honey, and I just
So a
get-
pound of honey.
right?
Yeah.
And then what you do is you're gonna put it on a low heat.
Okay.
To kind of, you see how the honey now is there?
Yeah.
I have it on a low heat for about 10
Yeah.
minutes. And
Yeah.
you're gonna take the honey and you're gonna pour it over
Oh, just like that. Okay.
that. And you get a
Oh, that's so
spoon.
beautiful. Oh, beautiful dish.
And you get a spoon. Then you're gonna take This is very important.
This is
Do not mess
Is this
with
an
it.
Italian recipe then?
It is.
Okay.
What?
I've
Where
never
have you been?
Do
No,
not.
no, I know, but like, is it like a
It's
traditional
Grandma
Italian?
Maiano's recipe. God rest her soul.
We're not even going to get
As
get
she's
through the
holding
recipe.
sprinkles.
It's
Do
like
not
4 ingredients.
mess
We still
with
can't
me.
get through
You
them.
have to
No, I
get
know.
the non-pareil sprinkles. Do not
Non-perennial.
even think about getting something else.
All right.
And you're just
Oh,
gonna
look at
sprinkle
that.
them
That's
on.
just fun.
Try one. And they get better the longer they sit. They get better.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Right. No joke. Get her off the.
The floor is really clean.
Oh, it's really good.
She was right. The floor is
Huh?
clean. Oh my God, it's so good.
Right? And they get better the next day. They're better.
Just like with you, Caroline, you get better.
These are really
every
good.
year.
Really, really good.
I get better with age.
That's
Out of
right.
my way.
You're like Ramona Singer. You're like a fine wine. Okay, right? See, there's another impression for you.
She
Even
got
though
it.
she told me,
got it.
she actually told me to stop doing impressions and to
She
stop
whining.
cooking. But you know, I'm breaking all the rules.
Do it. What makes you happy? Life is for living. Do what makes you happy. I'm here to tell you, do what makes you happy.
I love you. See, this is the pep talk
No.
that I've always wanted my whole life. I just wanted Caroline.
I'm 41. I'm just hearing it now.
Guys, super easy.
This is
Super
Struffoli.
delicious.
Struffoli.
My grandma Maiano's recipe. I love her to death. I miss her to death.
Oh,
I
it's
want
so
you to make
delicious.
them, and I want to know what your people think.
What your people think. Yeah.
Irish or gays? Which one? Okay. It's
fix
so
them.
tasty.
And it's super easy, guys. I don't want you to be intimidated by it. And this is the thing we only make once a year, but clearly I could make it every day if I chose to, because that's how easy it is. But it's one of those things that means so much to me, means so much to my family, that it is an ode to my grandma Maiano. We only make it once a year for her on Christmas.
Oh,
Wow.
that's so beautiful.
That's really
Yeah.
sweet. This is amazing.
Yes.
All right, it's awesome.
All right.
Caroline, thank you so much.
Cheers to us. Look at us.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Look at us.
Cheers
They
to the
came-
Manzo
Guys,
family.
they came from California to Jersey, and we did it.
We did it. Look at her.
Look at me.
Has been. I'm back.
I'm back.